Hello guys, welcome back to my another new video. So guys, today I'm explain how to reset your Firefox browser in Windows 10. So I hope you like this video and I hope I like this my channel and subscribe. So guys, now I'm open Firefox browser and click three line menu and click help and troubleshoot mode. Restart your Firefox. So click restart and Firefox, just your message, your extension, theme and custom setting will be temporarily disabled. So if you wanted restart or not, so I wanted restart, so click restart button. Just Firefox close and open or refresh browsers. So you can open or you can refresh Firefox. So I am click refresh Firefox and refresh Firefox. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. So again close Firefox, then again turn off. So I am wait for response and data inputted successfully and done. So refresh almost done and you see Firefox all data Firefox and restore Windows and tab and restore only once you want. So let's go. So open new Windows again. So I click just Walls and click new browser. So new theme and new look. So goodbye.